This book is called Grumpy Bird. If you have the same book, read along with me. And also, just to tell you, just read this book when you are mad or grumpy. This is called Grumpy Bird. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. "Looks like I'm walking today," said Bird. Bird walked past Sheep. "Good morning, Bird," said Sheep. "What are you doing?" "Walking," said Bird. "Nice," said Sheep. "I'll keep you company." Bird walked past Rabbit. "Hi there, Bird," said Rabbit. "What are you doing?" "Hi there, Rabbit. What are you doing?" "I'm walking," said Bird. "It's not fun." "I could use some exercise," said Rabbit. "I'll walk too." Bird walked past Raccoon. "Hey, Bird," said Raccoon. "What are you doing?" "I'm walking." "I'm walking," snapped Bird. What does it look like?" "It looks like fun," said Raccoon. "I'm coming too." Bird walked past Beaver. "Hello, Bird," said Beaver. "What are you doing?" "Let me give you a hint," said Bird. "You do it by placing one foot in front of the other." "Walking?" guessed Beaver. "I love walking." Bird walked past Fox. "Good day, Bird," said Fox. "What are you doing?" "Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing?" shouted Bird. "I'm just walking, okay?" "Okay," said Fox. "Let's go." Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Look, they're bumping into each other. Boom, 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 boom. Bird stood on one leg. The other animals stood on one leg. Look, this one looks like he's having trouble. This one is sticking his tongue out. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. Look, he's jumping like he's going over a rainbow. He's jumping like he's going under a rainbow. He's jumping with his tongue out. "Hey, this is fun," said Bird. Look, the other animals are smiling. Look at this. He has so big teeth. He has so big teeth. "Come on," said Bird. Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. "Let's fly back to my nest for a snack." He's so dumb they cannot even fly. And they did. Look, they're like, "No, I don't want it. No, I don't want it." He's feeding them worm. The end.